Next up this morning is People versus Kyle Michael Wellington. Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Here with your lawyer, Mr. Paul Gibson. Also present is Abby Stoll from the prosecuting attorney's office. File number here, thank you, Paul, is 26112FY. People versus Kyle Michael Wellington. Mr. Wellington was originally charged on a felony complaint that alleged in January, the 11th and the 21st of January 2026 in the city of Three Rivers that he did assault Amanda Lee Maston, aggravated assault as a second offense, which makes it a felony punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment. The defendant pled 2 counts of domestic violence. On February 17th, the matter was set for sentencing today. Ms. Maston is present, which is helpful. So I took the plea on February 17th. We set the matter for sentencing today. I wanted a chance to get the police report and get victim input. I did get the police report and the complainant is here. So Mr. Gibson, what would you like me to know?
Mr. Wellington showed me an email that he received. It looks like he has obtained employment at American Axle. The email indicated that he's supposed to start today. It's my understanding that the victim in this case is asking for the no contact to be lifted. I believe that this was these were unfortunate situations, and I believe that the defendant can learn from this, and I believe he can be rehabilitated. I would ask the court to consider as a sentence probation, community service. If there's jail time, I would ask the court to consider work release to allow the defendant to work to start his new job, or to consider weekends that would allow him to work. Thank you.
Ms. Maston, would you come up, please? Thank you for being here. Are you Amanda Maston?
I am.
And you're the complainant in this matter, and it's alleged that these things happened over a period of time in January. My sense from reading the report and reading the affidavit of probable cause is that this wasn't a one-time thing, but a pattern of discord and abuse. You broke your finger, and I wanted to know, among other things, whether you had unpaid medical expenses. So what would you like me to know?
Sorry. Yes, my finger did get broke.
Now, as you're sitting here right now, it's March 2nd. You've got a cast or a brace on your finger. Is that as a result of this injury in January?
They had to put a pin in my finger last Wednesday. Had they not put the pin in, the tip of my finger would not extend straight, and I wouldn't be able to use the tip of my finger. And I work a lot, so I need my hands to work.
Okay. Go ahead.
The way that the report is written from the officer, it's not accurate. There's flaws in it. Like, I need him home. Like, I understand, like, everybody makes mistakes in their life, but, like, it was partially my fault, too. But, like, I can't shower. I'm not supposed to drive. Like, I need him home.
Because of the injury to your hand? You can't shower because of that?
But I can't get it wet at all. So
Can't you
like,
put a bag over it or something?
yes, but like I still need some help. Like,
Okay.
I still have kids to take care of as well.
How many kids are in the home?
Two. Well, one's 19 and one's 16.
And where do you work?
Right now, I'm not working.
Where did you work?
McDonald's.
Did you have to take off work as a result of this?
No, I worked through it.
He's been living in Buchanan?
Yeah.
All right. He had some methamphetamine issues in the fairly recent past. Is methamphetamine a pink elephant in the room here?
No.
Methamphetamine's not an issue presently?
No.
How about alcohol?
No.
Well, let me read what you told the police, or at least what they put in the report. Amanda Maston was identified verbally and interviewed in the interview room at Three Rivers Police Department. On January 11th, she was in an altercation with Wellington. She was trying to leave for work and asked Wellington for the car keys. He was not being cooperative and she thought they were in his book bag. She grabbed the bag and Wellington tried to rip the bag from her and the force threw her and the book bag to the ground. She explained that her finger was in the loop when he threw the bag and she did not let go. She landed face first on the porch with the book bag. After she fell, Wellington told her the keys were upstairs by the TV on the counter. Wellington drove her to the hospital in Dowagiac to seek treatment from the injury, so she could not tell the story of what happened. She stated the hand specialist asked further questions about the situation, and that's where the referral came from. She had her medical records and handed them over. She advised that on January 21st, Wellington assaulted her again. She stated that she was sleeping. She woke up to Wellington calling her a liar and a cheater. She believed that if he believed that, he could leave. She was trying to get up and leave the room, and he was not letting her pass. She stated when she tried to move past him, he tackled her on the bed and pinned her down. She explained that he had a hold of her neck with one hand holding it down and proceeded to show me a bruise under her ear on her neck. The bruise was consistent with a thumbprint. She continued to state that she blacked out after that due to the anxiety of the situation. She felt she could not breathe due to pillows and blankets on the bed, not from being choked. She advised she then noticed a long red mark on her chest that was not there until the incident of the 23rd. She believed that when she blacked out, Wellington must have caused that red mark. Masson advised that the physical assaults are getting more frequent and happening once a week. This is your house, and he was living there. He has a previous domestic assault charge, and neither of those incidents involve drugs or alcohol. All right, Mr. Wellington, what do you want me to know?
I've never hit her. I promise. The most I've ever done was calm her down.